From the grandeur of the mighty Creator, we now turn to the story of creation itself. But what creation could be so noble, so worthy, that Allah Himself would bind it to His promise? In the very beginning, before time and space unfolded, there was but one sublime word, kun, be. And with that simple yet commanding word, the universe came alive. Stars ignited their radiant fires, the earth took shape with mountains and seas, and every atom unfolded by the will of Allah the Creator. Kun fayakun, be and it is. This majestic phrase, revealed in the glorious Quran, who in Surah Yasin, embodies the unstoppable power behind every atom, every breath, every heartbeat of creation, effortless, absolute, sovereign. And within this vast cosmos, Allah fashioned the womb, Ar-Rahm, the most intimate, intricate masterpiece. Named after one of Allah's own beautiful names, Ar-Rahman, the most merciful, this secret chamber became the sacred cradle of life itself. The Quran beautifully describes this miracle in Surah Al-Mu'minun, unveiling the wondrous stages of the unborn child's development. Hidden and protected in heaven, veiled in divine mercy. But the womb is more than mere flesh and bone. It's a symbol, a living emblem of mercy, and the unbroken chain of family stretching through generations. After its creation, something extraordinary happened. The womb reached out to the throne of the Almighty and clung to it, and Allah said, "Stop, what do you want?" Raising its humble voice, the womb pleaded, "O most merciful, safeguard the ties I nurture within. Let the bonds of kinship, love and mercy I hold in my embrace never be broken or severed." Allah, the most compassionate, heard this heartfelt plea and responded with profound assurance. "Would you not be pleased that I uphold those who uphold you and cut off those who cut you off?" The womb gratefully replied, "Yes, my Lord." And so Allah decreed, "Your wish is granted." This divine promise reveals an eternal truth. The bonds of kinship, cherished and upheld, are beloved to Allah. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ declared, "Whoever severs the ties of kinship will never enter paradise." The Quran warns sternly, "And those who sever the ties of kinship after their covenant, it is they who are the losers." Surah Muhammad. These sacred ties are not confined to parents and siblings alone. They stretch far and wide, embracing the ever-extending family of grandparents, aunts and uncles, cousins and nephews and nieces. Threads woven by Allah's infinite wisdom to bind societies and unite the Ummah. Honoring our parents, loving our siblings, nurturing our extended family, these are not mere social duties, but acts of worship through which we earn Allah's mercy by fulfilling His promise to the womb. To neglect or break these ties invites Allah's displeasure and punishment. Therefore, let us hold fast to Ar-Rahm, and Allah will surely hold fast to us.